Now we're going to go into the exercise in lesson 27, and I'm going to do a few of these with you. I'm going to allow you to see how I do it, and then you're going to finish the rest of the table. You're going to be using models. The one that we're going to be using, and I'll cross out the ones we're not going to use a 10 by 10 grid, a ratio table, or a tape diagram. We're going to use a double number line to solve the following situation. We're also going to check it with our equivalent ratio, part over whole equals percent over 100. It says Priya is doing her back-to-school shopping. Calculate all the missing values in the table below, rounding to the nearest penny, and calculate the total amount Priya will spend on her outfit after she receives the indicated discounts. Now, she's going to buy a shirt, a pair of pants, the shoes, a necklace, and a sweater, and all of those are on sale. The percent that say discount is the percent that she is going to save. On some of those, it tells us the original price. The original price on all these problems, you have to remember the original price is going to represent the whole. And the amount of the discount is going to represent the part. So if it's empty like it is in the shirt, you're finding the part that you are going to save. The discount is the percent that you save, so you are going to find the part that you're saving. We're going to do the shirt, and we're going to do the pants. And the pants, we're finding the original amount. All right? So let's start with the shirt. The shirt, we look at it, we see that it has a 25% discount. The original price is $44. Let's first solve it with a double number line. Top number line is going to be percent, and the bottom number line will represent dollars. I like to put 100%, and I'm going to match it up with my whole. My whole is the original price, $44. I need to get 25% on my top number line. If I divide 100 into 4 equal pieces, I go up by 25s. If I match my tick marks, that means I have to divide the 44 by 4. 44 divided by 4 is 11. So I'm going up by 11s on the bottom number line. Now, what matches up with the 25%? It would be $11. So what that means is she saved $11 on that. Now, it doesn't ask you this, but you're going to need to know this for the last part. If she saved $11 and the original price was $44, that means she paid $33 for that shirt. So you might want to write what she pays below that. Now, if I'm going to also use part over whole equals percent over 100, remember, I'm finding the part there. The whole was the original price. This is the discount percent out of 100. If I cross multiply and divide that, I get 44 times 25, which is 1,100, and divide it by 100, I get 11. I get the same exact thing as what I got on the double number line. Now let's find the pair of pants. We'll do that one together, and then I'm going to have you guys finish that. The pants, I'm going to erase this. You should have it written down. The pants, we got to find the original price of it. We know that this discount is $15. That's what she saved. Now I'm going to draw a double number line again. Top part is going to be percent, bottom number line is dollars. 100% matches the original price, the whole, but we don't know that, so we're going to leave that as a question mark. What we do know is that we have a 30%. That's going to match up with our part, the 15, the discount. Well, in order to get 30%, I'm going to have to go by tens. I'm going to split this top number line into 10 equal pieces, which means I'm going up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Put the same tick marks in there and match up the 30% with 15. Now if we look from there to 15, there are 3 equal spaces. 15 divided by 3 is 5, so that tells us we're going up by 5s on the bottom number line. Continue until you get to your question mark. That is your answer. Our pants cost $50 originally. Now if we subtract those two, we see that she paid $35 for the pair of pants. That's what she actually paid. If you want to validate with your part over whole equals percent over 100, you can fill in the information 15 for the part, question mark for the whole, 30 for percent over 100. You can cross multiply the two numbers that are given, 15 times 100, and divide that by 30. And you should get a final answer of 50. I would like you guys to finish that table, and then don't forget this last question here. What is the total cost of her outfit? Find out how much she's paying for each article of clothing, and then add the total together to get a total cost.